Hello, Ricky the Wedding Singer here. I'm going to teach you guys how to crack in between the sacrum, tailbone, and lower back area. The first step is to tighten your legs. Tighten your legs right here. And then force the legs this way. And keeping your feet in the same position, shoulder width apart. And the next step is to tighten the butt cheeks very tight. Lastly, lean back like this. For the adjustment, you hold one hand on this side and then you swing on the other side. Let's get to it. Let me show you how it's done. If you're still having a hard time, comment below. I'm going to try to help you out. Again, please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.